Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. In a separate tab, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Salesforce App Exchange. Search for the Mailchimp for Salesforce integration. Click on the Get It Now button to start the installation. Choose to install in your Salesforce production environment or sandbox. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open your Salesforce account. Locate the Mailchimp tab on the top navigation bar. Click on the Mailchimp tab to access the integration settings. In the Mailchimp settings, click on the Connect button. This will prompt a login window for your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and authorize the connection. After authorization, return to Salesforce. Configure your syncing preferences based on your needs. Select which objects you want to sync with Mailchimp. For instance, you may want to sync leads, contacts, or campaigns. Save your settings once you've configured the sync options. Next, create or select a Mailchimp audience. Ensure that this audience matches the data you want to sync. In Salesforce, go back to the Mailchimp tab. Click on the Sync button to start transferring data. Monitor the sync process to ensure data is flowing correctly. Once the sync is complete, verify the data in your Mailchimp account. Test the integration by sending a campaign from Mailchimp. Review the reports in Salesforce to track campaign performance. Adjust any settings as needed to improve the integration. Regularly check and manage your audience and synced data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.